Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find your exported videos on CapCut PC. Super simple. You're just going to select the export button here, and you're going to see like this kind of information, and this will show you like where your exported videos are. So select the folder, and then you can also like change it, but you're not going to find the ones that you previously exported. So just do this first. Select this right here, like this path, and then press Ctrl C to copy it. Select cancel, and then you're just going to go to like your file explorer, go here, delete, and paste the path here. And then you're going to find that exported video here because you copied and pasted that path. You can also change it, or once you have exported that video, like so, you are going to straight away select open folder, and you're going to find your exported video there. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!